Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make someone a manager on your YouTube channel. So first of all, log into a YouTube channel that is a link to your email account and where you are the primary owner or manager of. Then right now we go to settings, permissions, and then right now we can click on invite and then fill in the email address that you want to invite to your account and then give you the access. So decide what you want now. We want manager, click on manager. The invitation expire in 30 days, so keep that in mind. Then we do done and then we do save. Then verify that it's me. All right, that's always the safety. And then right now we are getting back to our YouTube channel. Then we go to email and refresh this page. Then invitation to access the channel Traumer. Then we click on accept invitation. And then right now we have access to this channel. So now if we click here on switch channels, we have access to this channel. Now this is a channel of mine where my YouTube channel is banned. But normally when your YouTube channel or your email is working, you have access now on that channel. So that's exactly how that works. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.